Oboshi Pataka. Oboshi Udura. Oboshi Udumbeleke. If I send you a message, you will go and deliver and come back. This time of around, I want you to go and deliver for me. Oboshi Udumbeleke. Oboshi Udumbeleke. Oboshi Udumbeleke. Oboshi Udura. Mama na akwa aka. Mama na akoro gele ugwu. Oboshi. See, this reverend father that always spoil my business. They said, if a native doctor did not have a big pocket, he will have a big stomach. But this one, I don't even have a big stomach, not less big pocket. Meanwhile, he is the one that causes all the problem. I want you to go, Oboshi. Oboshi Udumbeleke. Oboshi Udumbeleke. Oboshi Udumbeleke. Obumadu mbondo na atiyoto. Udura. Udumbeleke. I want you to go and scratch his buttocks. Go there. Scratch his buttocks. Oboshi Udumbeleke. Oyo go tele. Ovraya wegwe. Knack his screw to big like 50 liters to 80 liters. That's what I want. I want to hear his scores. Oh, Ibi is at 80. Ibi, Lewu Lebi. Oboshi Udumbeleke. Oboshi Udumbeleke. I want you to go there now. Idwa. I know you do it. I know. Oboshi Udumbeleke.
Spirit fire me up, that I may not set men on fire. Spirit fire me up, Spirit fire me up, that I may not set men on fire. It's very possible. I know what I talk to you about.
Oboshi, why are you coming back? Why are you coming back? No.
That I may not set men on fire while I am cold. Spirit fire me up. Spirit fire me
up. You want to yourself, this is man. I told you.
I said this is set men on fire
my hands
while I am cold.
Your idol. I don't
Spirit
have
fire
idols.
me up. Spirit fire me up, that I may